$1,373 in ad spend, $10,512 in revenue, 841 orders, 14 days. This wasn't luck. This wasn't a viral post. This was a system, a specific, repeatable system that I'm going to break down for you step by step in this video. And the craziest part, one of the biggest revenue drivers wasn't even the Facebook ads. It was a channel that most e-commerce brands completely ignore, and it covered our entire daily ad spend on its own. I'm Ahmed, founder of Metrix Craft. We run meta ads and landing page CRO for D2C and fashion brands. And today I'm pulling back the curtain on one of our best performing campaigns ever. Before touching Ads Manager, we built the offer. The brand, top class fashion. Product, a summer shirt 3-piece combo. Niche, brutal competition, rising CPCs. Our edge, pricing psychology. We priced at $12.50. Under $20, people don't compare. They don't overthink, they just buy. We call it the hero offer. One product, one decision, priced to feel like a steal. At $12.50, the creative practically writes itself. The offer does the selling. Rule: before running a single ad, make your offer impossible to say no to. Most brands send traffic to a full Shopify store. Navigation, pop-ups, upsells, and About Us page nobody cares about. Every extra element is a leak. We used a WordPress landing page stripped to 3 things: product images, the price, one buy now button. That's it. No navigation, no distractions. On mobile, where 85% of traffic comes from, you have 3 seconds. A clean page keeps them there. Rule: remove friction. The page's only job is to get the click. We ran a 3-phase campaign. Phase 1 is about buying data, not profit. Here's the setup. CBO campaign. Let Facebook optimize the budget. Broad targeting, ages 18 to 65 plus, USA, Canada, UK, Australia, the big 4. Multiple creatives, lifestyle, UGC video, product flat lay. 10% minimum spend rule. Every creative gets a fair shot before you judge it. Kill rule. If an ad hits 2x your break-even CPA with no results, it's dead. Phase 1, result. $1.81 CPP. That's our baseline. Now we cut the losers. Phase 2 is simple. Kill bad ads fast. Double the winners. No emotions. No let's give it one more day. The 2x kill rule decides, not your gut. The high CTR video creatives from phase 1 got all the budget. Everything else was off. Phase 2 result. CPP dropped from $1.81, $1.70. Now we scale. By day 10, we had real buyer data. We built lookalike audiences from purchasers. 1% in the big 4. Facebook finds more people who look exactly like your buyers. Scaling rule. Double the budget every profitable day until $1,000 per day. Then switch to 20% increments to keep the algorithm stable. Phase 3 result. CPP dropped to $1.44, down from $1.81 on day 1. Final numbers. 841 orders, $10,512 revenue, 7.65 times ROAS. Now here's the part most brands completely miss. Email cart recovery open rate, 2%. WhatsApp open rate, 90% plus. We set up automated WhatsApp messages for every abandoned cart. Fires within 5 minutes of someone leaving the page. Short message, product image, direct link, light urgency. Result: 15 to 25% of abandoned carts recovered. That recovery revenue alone covered our entire daily ad spend. Our Facebook ads were essentially running for free. Tools to set this up: Interact, Wati, or Zoco. All integrate with Shopify in under an hour. Almost nobody in fashion e-commerce is doing this right now. That's your edge. Here's the full system in 30 seconds. Hero offer, sub $20 impulse buy price. Clean landing page, 1 CTA, 0 distractions. Phase 1, test broad, buy data, 10% spend rule. Phase 2, kill losers with the 2x rule, double winners. Phase 3, lookalike audiences, 2x scale, 20% increments. WhatsApp recovery, 90% open rate, covers your ad spend. $1,373 in, $10,512 out. 14 days. If you want the exact ad creatives, targeting, and WhatsApp templates, drop case study in the comments. I'll DM it to you directly. If this gave you one thing you're going to use, hit subscribe. Real campaigns, real numbers every week. That video is right here. I'll see you in the next one.